These fish belong to the darkest part of the ocean. A Dark Depths documentary. Some creatures don't just survive the dark. They belong to it. Far beneath the surface lies a part of the ocean untouched by sunlight, unreachable by humans without machines, and hostile to almost all life. Yet within this darkness exist fish so perfectly adapted that removing them from it is fatal. In this Dark Depths documentary, we descend into the darkest part of the ocean to uncover fish that don't wander into the abyss. They belong there. Creatures built for pressure, silence, and eternal night. And around 70% into this descent, we'll encounter one fish so specialized that scientists say it cannot exist anywhere else on Earth. If creepy ocean mysteries and terrifying deep-sea creatures pull you in, subscribe to Dark Depths. This descent leaves the light behind. The darkest part of the ocean isn't just dark. When most people imagine darkness, they imagine night. The deep ocean is different. Below 1,000 meters, sunlight disappears completely. Below 3,000 meters, darkness becomes permanent. Below 4,000 meters, the abyss begins. This isn't dim light. It isn't shadow. It's the complete absence of photons. No sunrise, no reflection, no color. Pressure exceeds hundreds of atmospheres. Temperatures hover just above freezing. Food arrives rarely and unpredictably. To humans, this place feels empty. But it isn't. It's selective. Most people miss this. The deepest parts of the ocean aren't lifeless. They're exclusive. And only fish built for this world are allowed to remain. Fish built for eternal night. Fish that belong to the darkest ocean don't look like surface animals. Many are. Jet black, absorbing all light. Transparent, erasing their silhouette. Gelatinous, surviving crushing pressure. Their bodies are soft. Their bones are reduced. Their muscles are slow but efficient. Pressure doesn't crush them. It supports them. Species like abyssal snailfish live at depths exceeding 7,000 to 8,000 meters. Places deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Bring them to the surface, and they collapse. Not because they are weak, but because the surface is hostile to them. Most people miss this. These fish don't tolerate the darkness. They require it. But living in darkness changes more than the body. Watching without seeing. In total darkness, vision becomes unreliable. Some fish develop massive, ultra-sensitive eyes capable of detecting the faintest bioluminescent flicker. Others abandon vision entirely. Instead, they rely on awareness. Using the lateral line system, these fish detect vibrations, pressure changes, movement through water. To them, the ocean is never silent. A drifting organism creates ripples. A passing predator shifts pressure. A living body announces itself simply by existing. These fish don't need to see prey. They feel presence. Most people miss this. In the darkest ocean, awareness replaces sight. Would you rather lose your vision or live in a world where you never needed it? Comment below. And some fish take awareness even further by never moving at all. The stillest predators on Earth. Movement in the abyss is expensive. Energy is rare. Food is unpredictable. Fish that belong here adapt by minimizing motion. Some hover motionless for hours. Some anchor themselves along migration paths. Some drift so slowly they appear frozen in time. Submersible footage often shows these fish remaining completely still as lights approach. They don't flee. They don't react. They watch. This stillness is not weakness. It's strategy. Prey doesn't notice danger because danger doesn't announce itself. Most people miss this. The deadliest predators in the deep sea don't chase. They wait. But waiting becomes even more disturbing when paired with light. Light that means death. In a world without sunlight, light becomes language. Some fish use bioluminescence to lure prey, confuse predators. Communicate. Anglerfish dangle glowing lures that mimic food. Dragonfish emit red light invisible to most prey. Others flash patterns that disorient victims. In the deepest ocean, light never means safety. It means intent. Something wants something. Most people miss this. In the abyss, darkness hides predators. Light reveals traps. If you saw a faint glow in total darkness, would curiosity override fear? And now we reach the fish teased earlier. The fish that can't leave the dark. The barrel eye fish looks unnatural. Its head is transparent. Its eyes appear misplaced. Its skull looks unfinished. For years, scientists believed captured specimens were damaged. They weren't. The barrelized skull is naturally transparent. Its tubular eyes rotate inside its head, allowing it to look upward for silhouettes. Look forward to feed, remain perfectly still, movement would reveal it. So it doesn't move. This fish doesn't survive the darkness. It is designed for it. Remove it from this world, and it loses everything that makes it functional. If you want more documentaries about creatures that exist beyond human limits, subscribe to Dark Depths. This is where biology gets unsettling. Why? These fish feel unsettling. These fish disturb us because they don't behave like animals should. They don't flee. They don't fight. They don't react emotionally. They observe. They wait. They belong. Most people miss this. The darkest part of the ocean isn't frightening because it's violent. It's frightening because it's indifferent. These fish belong to the darkest part of the ocean because the darkness shaped them completely. Pressure didn't break them. Darkness didn't blind them. Silence didn't isolate them. It refined them. They don't survive where we can't. They exist where we never will. In the next video, we descend even further to explore fish that thrive where nothing else can. Watch that next. Because in the deepest parts of the ocean, belonging is more powerful than survival.